Hi guys! I hope everyone is well today. Welcome to another episode of my farm life. Today is just a different stuff. I will be giving multivitamins to this 16 days old piglets, and then I'm gonna do some trimmings on the Madre de Agua plants for the pigs. And I have my kids. I have my nephews and niece helping me today because I don't have school. Have fun, guys. Watch till the end, guys. I have a bonus for you. Don't jump and don't skip. Baca na ng gripo, baca. We are going to give multivitamins. 1 ml per piglets. Sakit. Sakit.
Hilak lang, makahilak lang.
lucky.
Ikaw.
Okay.
Mulik na, mulik na, mulik. Mulik na, mulik. Mulik na, kaya di mo nagbabay.
Farm work again today.
Wako, kuan. Ang nabulgam. Ikan bisa kuan. Ugaw. Ako lalagi. Ako naman luwa. Ano mo, ikaw mali. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi. Na. Yan. Yan. Hi guys. Hi guys. Oy.
Ay, kuha dito ang sundang siyan.
Amo?
Oh, katong akong gipako sa imo ganina. So the kids have no school this afternoon. So they are helping me again. Where's our bucket? Bring it here, please.
Dali.
Yeah. Bring the bucket over here. Yeah.
Uy, mama.
We need to trim this one also. I posted today, guys, that the community can... Tanaw. Careful! Be careful. Right.
Oh.
Dali, come here. Bring it here. Careful. Careful. That's Molly. How old are you, Molly? Okay, put it there. Just there. Okay. Thank you. Wala nga to ang sundang kay akong pauhan. Kusang pangwaon ng mga ulot.
Alaskan. Alaskan, dito mo ta ha. Nice.
I have to take the young leaves, guys, before I trim and give it to the neighborhood. Sige, put mo to. You put it in the bucket.
Asa butang to?
There. In the bucket. And get the machete over there. Sa balay.
Hawan. Asa mo to? Butang dako sundang ta.
Tuwa dito sa imong gihatagan sa kuha po.
Ito sa bahay daw.
Mo. Op. Yeah. Hey. Aba. Kiso. Mo malang chicken din. Dali ka. Dire yun.
Asa?
Yan. There. Sige. Okay.
Papa. Yan.
So now, that is most of their lunch, guys. So I save feeds that way. Same thing in dinner time. They eat more of that leaf.
Hey, hey. Mantap. Mantap. Kena. Kapsul.
Oh. Oo. Ayaw.
Tabangan ko po, Sen.
Oh.
Tek. On.
This is a ornament plant, guys. So guys, I have to speed this part because these are just all trimmings and I have to mute the original voice. It's just all kids, laughing around and, teasing one another and me cutting leaves or branches as you see. So that don't mess with me, guys. I have the machete, the long and the sharp one. So you have to behave. Mega love shout out to all our family, YouTube family that's always constantly watching my farm work. I hope you don't get bored with me, guys. So as you see, I have kids here. As you see, guys, kids are helping me. As I cut the branches, I also get those leaves, young leaves, and the kids are giving it to the mamas and the piglets, and they're enjoying the stuff. This is not a child labor, guys. This is just teaching kids how to do some stuff in the forest or in the mountain. This is how we train kids. I learned to work when I was very young, so I'm trying to teach children now the importance of learning at a very young age and me setting an example to them.
Trichantera.
Oy, ayan na niya vlog ba? Ihatag nang anong inyo man ang gikuan nga ma. Kuan ninyo simo diha. Kuan na.
Kid. Didn't know. I forget about it. Where is she? There she is. Hoy, na ibawa. Usang gigante. Wah, nakaon. Ako kay birthday ngayon, birthday. Pagkata mo dito.
Tagay. Si Juna pwede ra nahatagan og kanang mga sanga-sanga. Kay Kay Juna will eat even the bigger branches.
Ito ang birthday. Birthday ni Juna. Birthday ni Kuan. Abot. Sinsa babuya na. Dati si tita. Ta. Sinsa na yung pangandaret. Ano ba?
Si Mara.
Mara. Oh. Birthday Mara. Oh, ay patay. Hoy! Paano? Nane, wala sila naman di atagan. Ay, mo ay. Setang juna.
Oo.
Mira na ikaw. Usali. Mira ni. Ano po nangaon eh.
Fodder.
Ala pa tayo.
Tuyo.
Tama ni.
So the neighborhood guys later, they will just come here and get all these branches because they're gonna plant them. Sige go. Sige ka Jonah. Hawa. Wala ka naman sila kung magbitay ay. Pull.
Gibira.
Ay, magulit. Hold it very tight. Ayan, tapos na. Kung anong multivitamins ka mag...
Gipot na pa na. Pa na.
And this is what my work. This is the results of my work today. Trimming in front of the pig pen area. I have lots of this pig food plant, guys, all over the place. I have them at the back of our house, at the around our vegetable garden, and near the chicken houses. So I'm done with this area now. The neighbors later will gonna pick some of this one, and then if they don't get them all, I just have to pick them and put them on one area, and they will grow. They grow very fast and easy. So So after work, guys, we need to have a break. Sige.
Hago. Napay to, napay ikis.
Ana ra di ay.
Itaw. Kumuli ko yan na. Tuhod. Tuhod! Ay.
Siyan.
Ay, ano?
Be, ako na pod. So I have to show them, guys, how we did it 30 years ago. This is how we did it. This is really a very good exercise. And they're not doing this way these days. So I have to demonstrate them. This is how we do it. And this is the right way. We call this one Chinese garter.
10.
I don't know what they call this one now.
Oh, iya tuh ini mah dia.
Ano na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, pa-higher ng pa-higher. Ay, kagagal. Ay, ko na. Pila na to? Ha?
Deben.
Woo! You have to count 1 to 10.
3, 4. Tina.
Ganon.
Ay.
Tapos pa-higher ng pa-higher.